I don't know if you can see this, or I don't even know if you can hear me or not, but I figured out on these little let's see, DMW or DWM-PM 8 sensors, there's two empty pads right here, or not technically four empty pads, but this is where we would adjust the sensitivity for this particular PIR. So they say not to use anything less than 500K for R1, R2. So I'm going to try and put a trimmer on here, and on this inside set of pads I'll put a 470K ohm, and the outside I'm going to put a 50K ohm trimmer, single turn trimmer, see if I can get the sensitivity to be able to adjust it, high, medium, or low, because these things are, if you're using them for a camera, a trail camera, or a trigger of some sort, any kind of shadow, any little breeze, the sunshine, tree movement, whatever, it triggers the doggone thing. So I just want to get the sensitivity so I can adjust it up or down. So anyways, just wanted to pass that on. It's these two outside pads on the left hand side of the chip right there. So this is one, and that's two.